Hi guys, my name is Betty. Well, today I am checking out Greendale Apartments, just located at the Lugogo Bypass behind Nanjing Hotel. These apartments offer 2-bedroom houses and 3-bedroom penthouse. Yeah, so today we are first checking out the 2-bedroom apartment. So basically, in the 2-bedroom apartment, you're going to get 2 rooms, 2 bedrooms, both are en suite. Then a common bathroom. Then I'll start with the kitchen. To the kitchen, you're going to get a microwave. You're going to get a bread toaster. You're going to get cutlery. Like I told you, this is a fully furnished house. You're going to get a fridge. Yes. When you come to the living room, a very precious, big, beautiful living room. I love the sofa sets. The seats are of high density. The seats of high density. Then you can check the spotlights. These are very beautiful lights. These are very beautiful lights. Then each room is air conditioned. Each room is air conditioned. Yeah. Then the high walls. The high walls give this place a really modern look. Yeah, then that is it for the living room. So the living room, there's a balcony, a very beautiful balcony with view where you are going to enjoy views. They are very beautiful views. They're very beautiful close apartments too. Yes, then a well-grown garden. Yes, a well-grown garden. Then let's go check out the 2 rooms. Yeah, to the 2 rooms, they are both en suite. Yeah, so one is much bigger than the other, so you can use one as the master bedroom. Yeah, they are very good, comfortable beds, high walls. They are nets, very beautiful nets. Yeah. To the bathrooms, you're going to get a shower. There's a water heater. There's a toilet, which is also the same for the other one. The same thing. The sizes are quite different. The sizes are quite different. Then there's too much closet space. There's too much closet space, so you're going to have enough storage. Yeah. Then there's also a washing machine. In every apartment, there's a washing machine. The washing machine, there's an ironing board. Then wow, I think you like this place. I personally love this place and I would love to stay here. amenities, you have is a gym. There's a swimming pool. Then there's a kids play area. And there's a well-grown garden also. Then there are elevators. Yes, there are elevators. Then this house cleaning is done. House cleaning is done once or twice a week. Yeah. And basically that is it. Then I guess you're wondering how much this apartment goes for. The 2-bedroom apartment goes for $2,000 per month. And I told you they also have a 3-bedroom penthouse. The 3-bedroom penthouse goes for $3,000 per month unfurnished, then $4,000 per month fully furnished. So I would love to know from you, what do you think about this place? What do you think about the prices? What do you think about the amenities? Yes? What do you think about the amenities, and is it worth it? Well, that is all I had for you today. Subscribe to our channel, like the video, and share, and remember to turn on the notification bells. I've been your host, Betty.